Hi there, this is Dennis from Liberty Locksmiths. We were called yesterday to a house in Newton Mearns. The customer was complaining that the door wouldn't lock. We were the third locksmith to have a look at the door. The first two locksmiths told the customer it was unrepairable and he needed a new door. We removed the malt locking strip and we took measurements of all the different sizes. We ordered the correct part. We returned the next morning at 9 AM and installed the full new locking strip, which you can see here. Once the strip was installed, we fully checked the door in the open position just to make sure all the hooks and latches and deadbolts are operational. As you can see here, everything seems to be working fine. Once this is all checked, we then close the door and again check to make everything's working. We also adjust all the keeps. This was done previous to this video, so as you can see now, the door should be closed and locks perfectly. Door closed, handle up, key operational. Everything works perfect. Customer very happy because it saved them a fortune on a new door. Thank you for watching Liberty Locksmiths.